Seth Mullen. Hey,
Where's it?
I'm recording you.
I might trade you for this one.
How do you feel about that?
Oh my gosh.
How do you?
Snorlax?
Oh my God!
How much fairy types do you have?
Holy crap! He has Snorlax. Oh my
Can I
God!
have one? Yeah. Can I have a fairy type? What about Freya?
They all like Pokemon. I'm the.
How do you not? I'm still here. Let me see those.
So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and do.
So these are your best cards, right?
Yeah, 'cause you know I'm all about that.
Yeah, that's right.
Nobody cares about fairy Pokemon or any kind of Pokemon
Are these your best cards?
except you guys.
You got Kate.
You know I'm recording this, right?
Porygon 2.
I'm beautiful. You take away. Hey Marissa. Yo Marissa. Hey Marissa. 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 I'm recording you. Okay, this is going up on YouTube.
Fake. Fake.
Shut up.
Fake.
Shut up. She don't like talk about that crap. Smack that weave.